Thousands of years before smartphones, satellites, or computers, ancient civilizations created machines, weapons, and structures so advanced that modern science still struggles to understand how they were made. Today, we're diving into ancient technologies the world still can't explain, inventions that challenge everything we think we know about history. If you're new here, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more amazing history documentaries.
Our story begins in 1901, when sponge divers off the coast of Greece discovered a strange, corroded lump of bronze. Inside it was a machine unlike anything from the ancient world. Over 2,000 years old, this device had over 30 interlocking gears, each crafted with microscopic precision. Its purpose? To predict eclipses, track the moon, planets, and even simulate the motions of the universe. A machine this complex wouldn't appear again until 1,400 years later in medieval Europe. So how did ancient Greeks create a device so advanced, when no other examples of their gear-making technology survive? That mystery remains unsolved. For centuries, the Great Pyramids of Egypt have baffled engineers. The Pyramid of Khufu is built from 2.3 million blocks, each weighing up to 50 tons. Yet somehow, the structure is aligned to true north with only 0.05 degrees error, a precision we only achieve today with laser instruments. How did ancient Egyptians cut and lift stones heavier than buses? What tools did they use to measure angles so perfectly? And why haven't we found any detailed construction blueprints? Despite dozens of theories, from giant ramps to water levitation, no method fully explains the speed and accuracy of their construction. Modern concrete cracks within a few decades, but Roman concrete, it has survived earthquakes, waves, volcanic heat, and 2,000 years of erosion. The secret ingredient was volcanic ash mixed with seawater, which triggers a chemical reaction that allows cracks to repair themselves. Scientists only discovered this recently, suggesting ancient Romans understood chemical engineering at a level far ahead of their time. Even today, we struggle to replicate its durability. Medieval warriors feared it. Blacksmiths worshipped it. Damascus steel was a blade so strong and flexible that it could slice through ordinary swords, yet stay razor-sharp. Its iconic wavy patterns came from a secret technique, one that mysteriously disappeared in the 1700s. Modern scientists can imitate the look, but not the incredible performance. Did ancient metalsmiths discover a lost chemical process? A special source of iron? Or something even stranger? No one knows for sure. In 1936, archaeologists found a small clay jar near Baghdad. Inside was a copper cylinder, an iron rod, and traces of acidic liquid. When reconstructed and filled with vinegar, it produces a small electric charge. Was it used for electroplating jewelry, religious rituals, medical therapy, or something else entirely? No ancient text mentions it. No other ancient batteries have been found. This Baghdad battery remains one of archaeology's strangest discoveries. At first glance, it looks like a toy carved 2,200 years ago. But when aeronautical engineers examined the Saqqara bird, they found something surprising. Its design has the same lift ratio as modern gliders. Was it a child's toy, a ritual object, or a scale model for something much larger? No one knows, but its aerodynamic design is centuries ahead of its time. In Bolivia lies a site called Pumapunku, home to massive stone blocks carved with laser-like precision. Some cuts are so sharp they look machine-made. The angles are perfect 90 degrees. The surfaces are smooth as if shaped on industrial lathes. But these blocks are granite and diorite, harder than modern steel tools. So how did ancient builders carve them? With no iron tools? This remains one of archaeology's greatest architectural mysteries. In China, farmers digging a well in 1992 accidentally discovered the entrance to something unbelievable, a complex of massive underground caves carved by hand over 2,000 years ago. Each wall is covered in perfectly parallel chisel marks, as if done by machinery. But the truly mysterious part? No historical record, no legend, no inscription, a megastructure so enormous, yet completely erased from history. In Peru, Stretching across the desert are gigantic symbols etched into the earth. Animals, shapes, arrows pointing across miles. But here's the twist. You can only see their full shapes from the sky. How did a civilization without drones, planes, or satellites create such perfect massive designs? Were they messages to the gods? Ancient calendars? Or something else? The true purpose of the Nazca lines is still unknown. From impossible stonework to ancient computers, these forgotten technologies show us one thing. Our ancestors were far more advanced than we often imagine. And every new discovery proves that much of human history is still missing. Which of these ancient technologies blew your mind the most? Tell us in the comments below. And if you want more videos like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow us for more incredible explorations into the mysteries of the ancient world.